In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete users in Supabase, Easy Guide 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in the Supabase dashboard to safely remove users from a project. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a user is permanent. Make sure you have the right permissions in your Supabase organization and that you're working in the correct environment, especially if you manage both development and production projects. First, open your browser and go to supabase.com. This takes you to the main site where you can access the dashboard. Now, sign into your Supabase account. Use your usual method, email, single sign-on or whatever you normally use, and you'll land in the dashboard in just a moment. On the homepage, which is your main dashboard, choose the organization that contains the project you want to manage. Organizations group your projects and help you keep access and billing separated, so pick the correct one for the project where the user exists. Next, select the project you created earlier. If you're setting up something brand new, you can create a project here. But for deleting users, you'll typically open an existing project that already has authentication enabled and users listed. Once you're inside the project, look to the left sidebar. This is your primary navigation for everything in the project: database, storage, authentication, settings, and more. Click Authentication. Under the Manage area, select Users. This opens the User Management view, where you can see a table of all users registered through Supabase Auth for this project. You can sort, filter, or search to find who you're looking for. To delete, select the checkbox beside any user you want to remove. You can select one user or multiple users at once if you're doing a cleanup. Then, click Delete Users. A confirmation dialog will appear reminding you that this action is irreversible. Read it carefully. Deleting a user removes their authentication record and immediately revokes their access to your app. If you store additional user-generated content in your own tables, remember that only data tied to the auth service is removed here. Application data may require separate cleanup if you haven't automated that with policies, triggers, or functions. When you're sure, click Delete to confirm. That's it. You've removed the selected users from the project. As a best practice, double-check you're in the right organization and project before confirming, and consider exporting a user list or tagging accounts before bulk deletions to keep an audit trail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently manage users in Supabase.